Namaskar everyone, my name is Sankush Singh Barar and I study in class 3rd E. Today I am going to do an activity using water, paper clip and a small piece of paper. Let's begin. Here I have with me a bowl of water. Let's see what happens when I put the paper clip in the water. Well, it sank. Now I will again put the paper clip in the water but in a different way. First I'll put the paper, then the paper clip and slowly move the paper away. Did you see what happened? Whoa! The paper clip is now floating. Do you know why it happened? The paper clip is now floating because of surface tension of water. So, what is surface tension? Surface tension is the tendency of liquid surfaces at rest to shrink into the minimum surface area possible. Here is the diagram of the water molecules. Surface tension in water is caused by the intermolecular attractions between the molecules. These are the molecules on the surface. The molecules on the surface cling more tightly to each other, thus creating surface tension. This is how the insect water strider walks on water. I hope you like this activity.